The X950 supports flexible expansion with various payloads to meet different needs, to ensure safe cable routing, clean layout, and waterproofing. The X950 features 2 expansion ports. Users can choose suitable mounting positions and connect payloads via the expansion connectors for quick installation and removal. The installation steps are as follows. Step 1. First, route the payload cable through the expansion connector housing. To ensure a tight and waterproof connection, it is recommended to use 5 mm diameter cables for pin soldering. Before trimming the cables, check the distance from the payload to the expansion port and adjust the length accordingly. Also, before soldering, check the distance from the soldering point to the interface, and trim the cable so the insulation stays inside the housing for better waterproofing. Then, solder each wire to the matching point on the connector board according to the pin definitions. Pinouts vary by payload, so users should solder based on the actual wiring. After soldering, ensure that the VCC side of the connector board aligns with the slot side of the connector housing. Then, apply sealant to the connector to ensure waterproofing. Finally, insert the connector board into the housing, secure it with screws, and fit the rubber ring onto the connector. If a suitable cable is not available, soldering individual wires is acceptable. Be sure to apply heat shrink tubing to both the wires and interfaces to ensure proper waterproofing. Step 2. Remove the expansion board from the drone body. Also, remove the bottom payload mounting plate for easier routing. Step 3. Prepare the cable. Before trimming, check the distance from the flight control bay to the adapter device and adjust accordingly. Then, solder each wire to the drone expansion board based on the pin definitions of the adapter devices. Since pin definitions vary by adapter devices, users should solder accordingly. Next, install the expansion board into the port with the cable end facing the front of the drone. Install the board holder with its slot facing the rear, and secure it with screws. Finally, reinstall the payload mounting plate. Step 4. Insert the expansion connector into the drone's expansion port, and secure it with screws. This completes the installation of the payload and its expansion connector. The rear payload expansion connector can be installed in the same way. For payloads with different pinouts, refer to this video for flexible installation. Follow us to get more practical tutorials and updates.